When plastic snags like that, you know you have something out of adjustment. Most likely your lower feed dog snagged on the plastic. You can go through adjustment of the lower feed dog. The lower feed dog needs to be flush with the bottom of the throat plate in the valley. And you can see that that's significantly higher than that right now. You take a flat screwdriver and run it across there. It's quite a bit higher. So to adjust that, you go open the bottom of the plate. There's a screw right down in here. It also holds your needle guard in place. So that's also your needle guard adjustment. So when you change the adjustment of the feed dog, you'll also have to mess with adjustment of the needle. To adjust the lower feed dog, you loosen up this screw right here. The valley of the feed dog needs to be flush with the bottom of the throat plate. You kind of run a screwdriver across there to double check that. Also, when you're adjusting this, you're probably going to have to still readjust the needle guard because that's also on the same screw. Run the needle down. And it looks like the needle guard is still fine on this one. Usually it'll move on you though. It'll need a little adjustment. Just tighten up that screw snug. Make sure everything's tight in there. And the bottom of the valley of the lower feed dog is flush with the throat plate. You just take the screwdriver in here. You can run it flat across. Just checking the angle there. Flush with the bottom of the throat plate.